Napapanahon itong exhibit na ito ngayon dahil nalalapit na ang International Human Rights Day. At pinapakita nito yung pagnanasa at yung kakayahan ng mga political detainees na kahit sila ay nakapiit, ginagawa nila ang lahat ng kaya nilang gawin para ihayag ang kanilang kalagayan. In other words, yung criminalization ng political offenses, which is a gross violation of even Philippine jurisprudence and international norms. So nananawagan kami, lahat ng mga nakikiisa sa mga political detainees, na palayain lahat ng bilanggong politikal. Dahil unang-una, hindi sila nararapat na nakabilanggo as a matter of justice. Of course, because it's Human Rights Day in a few days, and because it's Christmas is coming, it is fitting that the political detainees, all political detainees, including or especially Alan Asmines and Ed Sarmiento, who are the artists in this exhibit, and who are involved in the peace process, dapat sana ay palayain na sila para makagampanan nila ang kanilang mga tungkulin ng malaya para sa kabutihan ng lahat.